Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm going to give you guys the best video that I can given the circumstances. So I'm reusing some of yesterday's video to explain you some stuff and also added a few pictures. But anyways, back working in this room, which is the ped flex. Basically, we're going to be doing some more column stuff, dropping flexes down columns like this. On the other side of this, on the opposite side, there's two more columns we have to drop down flex. So I had my apprentice working on that during the day. A bunch of people mounted boxes, not shown in that video because that was from yesterday. So there was like 6 people working in the ped flex mountain boxes. And basically we're going to be turning the island thing, or the window area that you saw in the last video, into something that looks like that. But anyways, the guys were working on mountain boxes that look like this for some more patient care area rooms, I believe. And then at the end of the day, took the cart with the sheet in the middle and went ahead and got everything off of the floor in the ped flex. And then also did a delivery down in the tunnel level. So I took the elevator and I dropped off some supplies on a flat cart down here right in front of our gang box, which was some wire, some jacks, and a axle. And then for break, I had this nice delicious pizza, which was not too bad at $4.45. And then I took some time and got a whole bunch of information from everybody and made a giant list of everything that we're going to need for the next few weeks so we can stay busy and not run out of parts. So hopefully we can get all of that stuff ordered. And then from there, we got like a $5,000 delivery. I don't know if it was half of the order, but a bunch of the stuff was back ordered. But we got like, I don't know, 20, 30 cases of boxes, mud rings, just tons of mud rings. You'll see all this stuff in the next picture. But anyways, after that, after the delivery, we had to find a place to put it, and the entire Connex right there was full, like 2 or 3 feet high of stuff, so you couldn't even walk in it. So we completely cleaned that out for, I don't know, hour, 2, 3, and emptied off the 2 old bread racks right here inside the medium voltage side, combined that on the other side behind some of the gear. So emptied these off, and then this is all from the delivery today. I think at least most of it, or some of the spreader bars might have been from the other day. But anyways, we totally filled up these 2 bread racks and got everything looking really nice. You can walk inside the Connex again. So yeah, really excited of how much stuff we got done today for how little of stuff that it looks like we got done today. But really productive day. Anyways, hopefully this video wasn't too terrible. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'll be doing a giveaway soon. And yeah, that's going to do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Stay safe. Have a great weekend. Love you guys. Peace.